Good day guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to bring back the hibernate option in your power button. So here you can see that the only options that I have in my power button is restart, update and restart, shutdown, and update and shutdown. So to bring back the hibernate option, I'll just go to control panel and then make sure that we are viewing by category, not the small or large. Make sure that it is in category. So just click the system security, the power options, then choose what the power button does, change the settings, then click this and then save changes. So when we go back to our power button, you can see that we already now have hibernate option. That's all. Thank you.